On installation day, our roofing team arrives with all the specialized equipment needed to complete your roofing project, typically in just one day. We begin by protecting the outside of your home for tear-off. This involves putting up sheets of wood and spreading tarps in order to catch all tear-off debris. Then we start the removal of all existing layers of shingle. Our team works diligently to carefully remove the old roofing materials while taking extra care not to damage your home's siding, gutters, or landscaping. After removal, any areas of decking with previous rot or water damage will be replaced. Next, our roofing experts will create a waterproof deck. To do this, we install ice and water shield and our exclusive pro-grade underlayment. These layers are designed to keep water out and ensure your home is protected for decades to come. After new underlayments are complete and the roof deck is protected, we begin installing your new shingles and ventilation system. This includes dimensional shingles, shingle accessories, and upgraded ventilation as needed to guarantee your roof will last decades. Heavyweight shingles are carefully nailed in place along with the installation of upgraded ventilation. If needed, our roofing experts will cut a slot in the roof deck to allow for proper airflow. After the shingles and ventilation have been installed, we begin the finishing touches on your roof. This includes nailing all the matching cap shingles to your roof's hips and ridges, as well as installing custom bent metal flashing. Choosing pro-grade roofing is a great way to increase resale value, increase comfort, increase curb appeal, and protect your home and family from severe weather. Talk to one of our roofing experts today to find out more about what Pro Home Improvement can do for your home's roof.